Howdy, my name is Kayla Cardwell and I'm a second-generation woman in the construction industry, a graduating senior, and a future project engineer. I had the awesome opportunity to do an internship my summer before my senior year of high school and just really fell in love with the fact that construction can be used to help so many people and make an amazing impact in our world. I would have to say my favorite construction science class would be the COSI 489 Constructionarium course. It was a great opportunity where we got to be hands-on and actually build a project ourselves. We were on the management side. We did all of the paperwork, all of the prep work, the estimating, and then we also got to go overseas to London and actually build the project with our own hands, tie the rebar ourselves, pour the concrete, do everything for it. And so it was a great experience to learn how to handle high-stress environments and a great look as to what our actual careers are going to be. I would say that the construction science department has done an amazing job of not just preparing me for a career in the construction industry, but also just preparing me to be an adult in the real world. Our project controls class, taught by Professor Larry Fickle, does a great job of not just teaching us how to manage money and project finances in the construction industry, but also how to manage our own finances and manage all of the tasks that come with being an adult. And so I would say that that's definitely something that has prepared me to enter this next step once I graduate.